Today we're doing a product highlight on our part number C1024, the PD1530 vinyl patio door handle set that was used on Cascade doors and many other door brands. So here is a comparison between the old style versus the current style that is now available. The old style had this part number stamped on the back, PD1530-04, it was stamped here. And this is now the current new style that's the direct replacement. This handle set will still come as a kit. It still comes with the same mortise single point lockbox shown here. It's exactly the same. It still comes with its white keeper here, as well as the toggle lock, as well as all the mounting screws needed to install the handle set on your patio door. So the main difference between the old style and the new style, they look pretty much identical. The mounting screw holes line up perfectly, but you're just going to see the new style is slightly shorter versus the old style. And then as well as in profile, the new style is a little bit thinner than the old style. The current version also doesn't have any part numbers stamped on the inside of the handle set. Again, for the exterior handle set, they look pretty much identical. They have a few less mounting screw holes. The profiles are very similar. They just have a little bit difference in the thickness of the profile on where they start and stop. But the overall length, again, is just slightly shorter on the new one, but all the components still line up. So now we're going to replace the old style with the new version. Your old style might have these plugs that cover the mounting screws. They just pop off like so, and you can reinstall them. You do not need to use them for the current version. So if you have those plugs, you can remove them. There's two mounting screw holes, and it just takes a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it. When you are unscrewing these, you want to have the door slightly open so you can hold on that exterior handle, because once you remove both of these mounting screws, that exterior handle will fall off. So we've unscrewed the first one, and then we're going to unscrew the bottom one. And once the bottom one is removed, the handles will come off on your door. Removing the interior handle set, now we can remove the toggle lock that sets into the mortise lockbox. These are also sold separately if you need to just replace that little guy there. The mortise lockbox is also sold separately. He's just held on by two mounting screw holes. He's the same exact mortise lockbox, and it has this 45-degree angle cylinder that the toggle lock tail slides into, and this is what locks and unlocks your patio door. So the first thing then we want to install is our toggle lock in our mortise lockbox cylinder. And here, once you know that it's in the cylinder correctly, it will activate that latch. Next, we're going to put on our interior and exterior handle set. And we're going to use the new version so you can see that it is a direct replacement. You're going to take your handle, and we're going to line up the mounting screw holes with the holes on the door. And then we're also going to set our exterior handle set, lining up the mounting screw holes as well on the outside. And then you're want to hold both of these on while you screw on the mounting screws so they do not fall off. When you go to insert the bottom mounting screw, if you're having a hard time finding the mounting screw hole on the exterior faceplate, it's sometimes a good idea to unscrew the top screw a little bit so you can move the outside handle set a little bit, and then you're able to line up those screws. So I'm just going to unscrew it slightly, not all the way, so the handle doesn't fall off. And now I'm able to move that outside handle set a little bit, so I'm able to put the mounting screw hole into the screw slot for the exterior handle set. Once I have that set, we are just going to hand tighten this all the way down. You want to use a hand Phillips screwdriver. You don't want to use a electric drill because that can strip out or break your handle set. So you just want to hand tighten these all the way down. Then you're going to check for operation, making sure that your handle locks. So the other thing you will want to check too, if it's a little bit tight moving that lock, you'll just want to unscrew those mounting screw holes just a turn or two if it's a little bit too tight, and then check operation again. And then once that's done, your installation is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and follow for more. These handle sets can be ordered on our website, windowpartcenter.com.